Hello everyone and welcome back to our to our Yokogawa training series, and today we are starting new topic about the SEBOOL language. And in this lesson we will learn the fundamentals of the SEBOOL programming language, its structure, syntaxes, and how it's used inside Yokogawa control system. And now let me briefly explain what is the main levels of SEBOOL language. And my friend, commonly we used SEBOOL for greeting the SVC application, and SVC means sequential functional chart, and it's a graphical programming method using to control process step by step. For example, if you build a flow chart of starting your steam turbine, for example, and you use the you use the operation of the start pump and then wait for 5 seconds, then open valve and wait the increase of your pressure, and then you start motors. And SVC is preferred for the startup sequence, for shutdown sequence, for batch processes, for automatic machine operator, or for the interlock sequence. And another one sequence is the CFC. It's mean continuous functional charts, and it's used for continuous execution of logic during the every scan circle. For example, pit control, pressure control, temperature control, flow calculation. And if we think about the analogy for CFC, you can think about check RPM, control fuel, and monitoring the temperature. And let's start with CFC. And my friends, CFC consists of three main elements. First, it's our step. This one, it's a step. And second one is it's a transition. And here we have transition. And the last one is the link, which make a link between our steps. And my friends, a step contains the actions that must be executed. The action are performed when the step became active. And the transition is the condition which required to move to the next step. For example, the timer completed, or count completed, or pressure reached the required value, or operator pressed the start button. And as I said before, the link is a connection between step and transition. And also the action which stay in our step can be described in three different way. Firstly, it's the we can use the LC64 blocks. Another one we can use the sequence table is the ST16 block, 16 block, and the last one is the SEBOOL. And also I want to add that SEBOOL it's mean the sequence and batch orientated language. And my friend, let's start our practice. Don't save. Open system view. And my friends, let's open our switch and switch define. And here let's add let's add it from here. Let's add 4 tags. Firstly, it's the condition 1, condition 2. The next one is the action 1 and action 2. Save it. And let's open our functional builder and open DR6. And let's add here our SVC blocks, and we use this one. Add it here and give the step name. And my friends, if you notice, we have 3 different SVC blocks. Let's talk about it also. And we have paint. And we have let's open Notepad, I think. Notepad. And first is SVCSW, and it's mean SVS. And the last one is the action selector, my friends. Action selector we used for the selecting action. For example, if you have 2 pumps, you can select the pump A or pump B, or you can select the heating or cooling mode in your air condition. For example, you can think about the railway switch. The train can go to different tracks depending on the selected route. And that's all for the SVS mod. And let's return to our program. And that's all, my friend, for today's lesson. In the next lesson we start to build our sequence logic, and I wish you all the best, and I wish you the good health. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give the like for video if you enjoy it. See you at the next lesson, my friends.